In this video, I wanted to share with you with one event that took place in June in Mexico City. The name was Proptech 25. This exhibition and this forum was dedicated to AI technologies in real estate and construction. It was very interesting to see how a new era of Proptech, of property tech, is appearing on the market. Because around 3 years ago, I was thinking myself, why there's a lot of Fintech, food tech, ed tech, but there is nothing for the construction industry based on the new technologies. And now it's appeared. So the future is right now, right here in Mexico City. What I wanted to share, so the first event to put all together the technology, the developers, the construction, the brokers who are working in this industry, and also different kind of people that are working in the industry with different instruments, with different technologies, and everyone was there. The main idea was that they had three main divisions: Fintech, corporate tech, and AI. The Fintech was the part that were dedicated to the different banks and different corporations, different funds that are helping and providing the construction tech with the instruments that helps to get faster and better conditions of credits for developing the business. The construction tech and the property tech tools, it's the tools that were mainly dedicated to different CRMs and all kind of tools and solutions that we are using in the project management in our industry. And of course, AI that is helping us to implement different instruments that we are using, and we are really implementing a lot in our industry. The AI is a new tool that helps us to make process much faster and easier. The construction is very hard to automate, but there are a lot of systems like CRM and ERP systems that really help us to manage the process in the construction, because the process in the construction is really complicated, and it's very important to use different types of tools, not just like a paper and a pencil, just to fix all that kind of tasks and things going on the development process. I also found out that there are a lot of companies who are appearing in the market and doing and developing AI agents for the industry in different niches. For example, AI for a realtor, helping to conduct the process with the client, AI in construction, helping the engineer to control the process and to see when they're breaking some rules and restrictions and things like that. So a lot of agents are not like only AI chats like ChatGPT and other kind of tools like that. No, AI agents who are already operating with different processes in the niche. The Fintech is more turning to development business tool solution that is highly oriented for the development because in the construction there are a lot of money around us. Everything is constructed. So in this case, we have a big field for the banks to provide big amounts of credits for the construction companies. On this conference, there were present Banorte Group, one of the biggest bank groups in Mexico, and BBVA, a company from Spain, a bank from Spain, but they have different departments that are investing in startups. They have some venture funds and all that kind of things. One thing that were discussed a little bit is a tokenization, blockchain technologies in real estate. It's not that I felt that we are like using it already, but it's starting to appear on the market. It started to appear around 2 or 3 years ago, but still, I don't know why, but this instrument is not used. I have not seen any real deal on the market that were done with the blockchain technologies. I don't know why, because blockchain technology is really great for example, for notary process, like getting titles and that kind of things, but still this technology is not used. But a lot of talks were done on that. We had a really great day in Google experience, in Google office in Mexico City. It was really cool to see how this big corporation works from inside, and they presented us a new AI instrument that they are going to launch this year. Unfortunately, it's not possible to get right now into this process, but they are finishing, I guess, they said to us like in December or maybe in the beginning of next year, so we will be able to use a powerful AI agent from Google. Also, we were talking a lot about venture funds, crowdfunding, all the kind of technologies that are helping to make pools of investment in real estate and in construction area, in operating with real estate assets. And it was really interesting that these kind of things are still on the market and still developing. Actually, my main idea on this conference was that the one who will be just studying the technology but won't be implementing those technologies in their businesses won't really succeed. So the one who are really studying, implementing, using, trying to use, sometimes it's really hard to start using a new tool, but those one will really be in tops of the market. It doesn't matter, it's construction tech, it's fintech or others, but nowadays world are oriented on the technology. So the one who are using technology will be on the top of the market. So our company is trying really use that kind of tools and implement in our business process, all the CRM systems, all the ERP systems using AI, artificial intelligence and different kind of tools that gives us more faster processes, more efficient processes, and be really successful and quick. So actually, the basic idea of all that we discussed was that now a new era of business is appearing. That is not era of corporates. This is not the era of big enterprises. This is era of small project teams that are working on different businesses. For example, in Google, they are having teams that are working on different parts of their businesses, because it helps them to be more flexible and to operate much faster. Even the corporates are trying to turn to this teamwork, to this cluster work, not using just a vertical system as we used before in the big corporations. So the main idea of everything, that the technology is moving the world and the technology is moving forward and developing, and we need to be right in time and right in the right place. So we offer you a free checklist or consultation, and you can just text us in different methods. Just leave a comment under the video or text us in different messages or call us by phone, and we'll help you with that. So likes, subscribes, and comments. Thank you.